Welcome to the Survival Craft and Rescue Boats course by the Nautical Options Training Institute of the Philippines Incorporated. In this lesson, we will discuss the characteristics and facilities of survival craft and rescue boats. By the end of this training module, you will be able to 1. Explain the characteristics and limitations of survival craft and rescue boats. 2. Explain the functions and limitations of facilities associated with their use. And 3. Interpret the markings found on these life-saving craft. Understanding these elements ensures your competence in operating survival craft and maintaining safety during emergency situations at sea.
Survival craft are specially designed to sustain human life during and after abandonment of the ship. Their main characteristics include buoyancy and stability, even when fully loaded, durability, constructed from fire-retardant and corrosion-resistant materials, self-righting capability, enabling the craft to return upright automatically, and protection, providing shelter from heat, cold, wind, and seawater spray. Each lifeboat is built to withstand rough sea conditions and remain afloat when damaged or flooded. Internally, survival craft are designed with safety and functionality in mind. Each unit is equipped with fixed seating arrangements, safety harnesses, and non-slip flooring to protect occupants during launch or rough seas. The canopy shields survivors from exposure, while ventilation ducts maintain airflow. In enclosed lifeboats, internal lighting and watertight hatches ensure visibility and prevent water ingress during emergencies. Despite their robust construction, survival craft have certain limitations. They can be affected by extreme weather, high waves, and limited maneuverability. Overcrowding can reduce stability, and prolonged exposure may cause discomfort among survivors. Understanding these limitations allows officers and crew to plan deployment and management strategies effectively, ensuring survival craft remain safe and operable in all conditions. Rescue boats are smaller, faster craft used for recovering persons in the water and marshalling life rafts. Their main characteristics include 1. High maneuverability with an outboard or inboard engine. 2. Open or partially enclosed design for quick launch and recovery. And 3. Onboard equipment such as tow lines, searchlights, and radios for coordination during rescue operations. Rescue boats are designed for speed and response, not for long-term survival, and their effectiveness depends on crew skill and environmental conditions. The facilities associated with the use of survival craft and rescue boats include the equipment and systems that make their deployment and recovery possible. These facilities consist of launching appliances such as single-arm or gravity davits, winch motors and brake systems for controlled lowering, release mechanisms including on-load and off-load release gear, communication systems for coordination with the bridge and recovery strops, and hooks for retrieval after rescue operations. Regular inspection and maintenance of these systems are critical to ensure their readiness during an emergency. These facilities, however, also have operational limitations. Launching systems can be affected by ship motion, sea state, or mechanical failure. Electrical winches may lose power during emergencies, and improper handling of release devices can cause accidents. Understanding both their capabilities and limitations helps ensure that deployment procedures are carried out safely and efficiently. Every survival craft and rescue boat carries specific markings for identification and compliance. These include the ship's name and port of registry, the maximum number of persons the craft is certified to carry, the weight and launching instructions, SOLAS approval plates and visibility markings in reflective paint or tape for detection during low-light conditions. Correct interpretation of these markings ensures that each craft is properly identified and used within its certified limits. Familiarization with survival craft and rescue boats is an essential component of seafarer training. Every crew member must be able to locate, inspect, and verify that all equipment and facilities are functional and compliant with international regulations. Through repeated practice and supervision, trainees develop the confidence to act decisively and correctly in real-life emergencies.
The characteristics and facilities of survival craft and rescue boats are the foundation of safety at sea. Understanding their design, function, and limitations ensures effective response when lives are at stake. Each marking, each fitting, and each system on board represents the commitment of every mariner to safety, discipline, and preparedness. From all of us at the Nautical Options Training Institute of the Philippines, train with purpose, lead with confidence, and always uphold the highest standards of maritime safety.